As India continues to battle with the COVID-19 pandemic, one important tool is vaccination. COVID-appropriate behavior and vaccination both will go a long way in saving lives. I am in a rural primary health center in Haryana, where you can see primary healthcare workers have been vaccinating Indians.
This is not something unique that we are doing it for the first time. India is completely geared as far as immunizing the rural India. We can take care of the whole country without leaving the remotest part, northeastern part, rural, tribal, any area we have the presence.
Many say there is a digital divide. Many say there is a rural-urban divide.
Our digital platforms work offline also. You don't have to have internet connection at that
meaning
time.
you don't need to have a smartphone to get a vaccination in this particular rural PHC.
Absolutely, it is not required. If you have not registered yourself, walk in, get yourself registered. You will be registered on the CoWIN app or CoWIN platform. You will be documented. You will get the vaccine. Even if I don't know how to register on CoWIN platform, it will still work. Because most of the immunization so far which is happening in rural areas is walk-in immunization.
On this episode of Life and Science with Pallav Bagla, a look at rural India where vaccination effort is happening and the roadmap how India will reach its entire population. Keep watching India Science.